Now for the class project, what I want you guys to do is to replicate the table design that is in the last tab of the attached Excel file. So if you open up the Excel file, that should be included as resources, as resource materials for this class. On the last tab you should see a project tab, and in this tab you will see that there's this particular table design. And what I want you guys to do is try and replicate to the best of your abilities at the moment. Replicate this particular design, and so as you can see, it is similar to what we already did, but a little bit more advanced, a little bit more columns, and a little bit more spans, more row spans and col spans. So try and see how you can do this and replicate it along with the formatting, so along with the bold text, along with the colors, everything, right? And what you would do is you would use JSFiddle to code your HTML table. So similar to what we did in this class, use JSFiddle to do that. And once you have finished, once you have completed your HTML table in JSFiddle, you can save the fiddle and send a link as your project submission to this class. And what I'll do is I'll check the fiddle and I'll give you feedback on that. So very simple. Give it a try. There's no time limits to this, so give it a try and use all the knowledge that you have gained during this class to create this particular HTML table.